When you're having a stroke, every second counts, and a UNM Hospital program is saving lives by connecting their experts and technology to rural hospitals all across our state. News 13's Jamie Seymour shows us how UNMH is looking to expand the program.
Many of New Mexico's top medical specialists, from cancer care to heart health, are based in Albuquerque. But where does that leave patients in rural areas like Silver City and Wagon Mound?
There is a lack of specialty exposure to these rural hospitals.
A program through UNM Hospital is changing that when it comes to the time-sensitive care of detecting and treating a stroke.
If you talk about stroke neurologists, that's even fewer. I can count on one hand how many stroke neurologists there are in the entire state, and all of them are in University of New Mexico.
The UNM Access program is changing that through telemedicine, and it starts the second someone noticing stroke-like symptoms calls 911.
As soon as the patient arrives in the emergency room doctor and the nurses, we have worked with them very frequently, that we have trained them and educated them how to identify suspected strokes.
The ER staff immediately calls the UNMH operating center, and in minutes they're directed to the neurology team here in Albuquerque, with the specialist evaluating the patient through a portable computer and camera setup.
It takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the patient to arrive to the emergency room and for me to see the patient.
Most months they see more than 250 patients through this virtual program, and if the case is severe, they can arrange to have them airlifted to Albuquerque. Now they're hoping to advance the program even more, using artificial intelligence that can review CT scans and detect a blood clot in the brain before doctors are even aware.
This significantly has shown to cut down the times to treat and transfer patients for complicated stroke procedures.
Jamie Seymour, KRQE News 13.
The UNM Access program now hopes to expand beyond stroke care and eventually provide cardiology consults all across the state.